Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to send money to your friends or families using PayPal. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your PayPal application first. Okay, and then click on the send icon or the option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay, this one. Okay, just click on it and then wait for it to go, and then here you can type out their username, the username, that specific person that you want to send money to. For example, this one here, this user. Okay, now input the amount that you want to send to that specific person. Then you can also choose the currency. Just click on this one here. Okay, so we're going to use PHP. Then right after that, just click on the continue option. That one, then choose for friends and family. Okay, you just have to choose this type of payment, then click on continue. So right after that, your money will be sent to that specific person. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.